Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and for a light lunch from that box that I got from my insurance company, I got a bag of carrots in there, so I steamed I guess boiled them in the rice cooker. I put a half a thing of carrots in the rice cooker and then poured some water in there and then just let them go until they were nice and soft. So, and then I sprinkled some sugar on them because I don't have brown sugar. I wanted to do brown sugar carrots, but I don't have brown sugar right now. So, I just sprinkled tiny bit of sugar on it, but for the most part, it doesn't even taste sugary. So, actually, that's kind of a good thing. But they're nice and soft, and that's what I'm having for a light lunch because I'm having it kind of late, and then I'm gonna make dinner, obviously. But anyways, thought I'd have some basically fresh vegetables for the first time in a good few months. So, all right, everybody, have a wonderful day, wonderful night, depending on when you watch this. And may God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now.